Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting now? Check the TV model and update firmware so features work reliably. Make sure the TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi band. This prevents discovery issues. Enable the TV's screen mirroring, Smart View, or Chromecast input immediately because the device must advertise itself. If you're using an external Chromecast, plug it into HDMI and power it. Once done, open the Casting Source app and look for the TV name. That's the connection point. Now you move into the connection itself. Open the app or Chrome browser and tap Cast, or use Smart View from the quick settings. Select your Samsung TV from the device list. If a PIN appears on screen, type it to authorize. Make sure the casting app's video resolution matches the TV's native resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. If audio is out of sync, switch audio output to TV or to external receiver in the TV's sound menu, because correct routing fixes delays. Finish by stopping cast sessions from the app so the TV frees resources. That prevents frozen thumbnails and keeps performance smooth. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot the TV or router and try again after 30 seconds, because cached network info often causes discovery failures. When playback stutters, reduce stream quality or switch Wi-Fi bands. If nothing helps, reset the casting app's permissions or factory, reset the Chromecast input. This clears mispared credentials and typically restores reliable casting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.